This apartment is located in the Patio Bonito area, adjacent to Astorga in El Poblado. If you know this area, you know that this is one of the most unique areas of El Poblado because it is all flat. And there's a lot of restaurants, cafes, things to do in this area, a lot of greenery as well, which is great. This apartment is absolutely stunning. As you can see, it's been completely remodeled. This is the kitchen right here. It's got a big kitchen counter, and I like how they put the stovetop on the kitchen counter to make cooking more social. When you invite friends over, maybe you have a chef over and you're cooking for them, etc. You're cooking on this side, and people can help, people could talk, etc. It's really great. A lot of space here. You could have 2 or 3 people really cooking in here, which is nice. And this is the big fridge right there. A really cool clock was mounted there as well. This is the laundry area. You've got the washer and dryer, a lot of space. And there's a lot of space because this one's 235 square meters, which comes out to be about 2,529 square feet. This is the cold plunge, and it's a room dedicated just for this. Really great apartment for people that have, even for families, but really it's for anybody that wants to put it up on Airbnb, for digital nomads, for entrepreneurs. That was the first bathroom there, the half bath. This is the sauna here. It's a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom. Yeah, I mean, this thing has a sauna in it. Come on. How can you not like this apartment? It's so awesome. This is going into the first room here. Again, there's 3 bedrooms in here. This is I think the smallest of the 3. And you can easily fit a queen size bed in here and probably a king size if you really wanted to. A lot of space in this room. This is the in-suite bathroom. Really big shower. Love it. This is a great place for hosting guests too. I mean, because it's got so much space. If you've got family coming in from out of town, you've got 3 bedrooms. It's really nice. Or just friends for coming. Each walk-in closet has a safe, by the way, and each closet is fingerprint locked. So if you do have Airbnb guests, each one has their own private stuff, right? And they can store it. So this is like the living room area here, which the current owner has as a music room, which I thought was really creative and really nice. This is the next bedroom. This is the bathroom. Again, huge bathrooms. I love the showers, again, because I'm a tall guy. I need to make sure I fit in these. And again, on this one, you can easily fit a queen size bed, probably a king size bed in there as well. We're going to go into the master bedroom and bath. This is a really large one. You can easily fit a king size bed in here. You've got the closet there. Again, you could see the handle there has that fingerprint lock. And over here, you've got the master bath. This is a double sink. Love the design, the countertop, the accent lighting with the LEDs. The big shower. I mean, you can't ask for more. This is a beautiful place. The price on this one comes out to be a 1.7 billion Colombian pesos, which in dollars comes out to be about 418,000. And the price per square meter on this one comes out to be in dollars only $1,779. And if you know anything about prices in El Poblado, when we do comparables, and if you're looking to do comparables, make sure to contact me. But this price is below market average. This is the little bar here. I mean, come on, this is amazing. You've got a bar inside. You've got a sauna. You've got big rooms, all with in-suite bathrooms, more bar space here, and the living room area. Absolutely stunning. If you're looking to make an offer on this one, or you want us to find you your own dream apartment here in Medellin, make sure to fill out our form. The link is in the description. If you're selling your property, we can help you do that too. We can feature it on our channel. Just fill out the form that's in the description as well, and we'll get back to you. If you want to see more great properties here in Medellin, make sure to click on this playlist right here, and we'll see you in the next one.